How 3D printing is a game changer. 3D printing, also known as additive manufacturing, is a process of creating three-dimensional solid objects from a digital file. The printer reads the digital file and layers of material are added to create the final object. The technology has come a long way in recent years, and the possibilities for 3D printing are endless. From creating toys to prosthetic limbs, architectural models to industrial parts, 3D printing is revolutionizing the way we think about manufacturing. "3D printing has been a game changer for prosthetic limbs. We can now create customized prosthetics that are lightweight and comfortable for patients, at a fraction of the cost of traditional manufacturing methods. 3D printing has also opened up new possibilities in the medical field. From prosthetic limbs to surgical tools, the technology is helping to improve patient outcomes and reduce costs. "3D printing has been a game changer for industrial parts. We can now create complex parts that were previously impossible to manufacture using traditional methods. "3D printing is also revolutionizing the way we think about manufacturing in the industrial sector. From aerospace to automotive, the technology is helping to reduce costs and improve efficiency. "3D printing has been a game changer for architectural models. We can now create detailed models that were previously impossible to manufacture using traditional methods. "3D printing is also revolutionizing the way we think about architectural design. From building models to rapid prototyping, the technology is helping to improve the design process and reduce costs. 3D printing can be used in retail in ways that can create faster production. Here are a few examples. Customized products. Retailers can use 3D printing to create customized products such as jewelry and fashion accessories. Customers can design their own items and have them printed on demand, allowing retailers to offer a wider range of products without having to carry large inventory. Rapid prototyping. Retailers can use 3D printing to quickly create prototypes of new products. This can help them to test new designs, make changes and get products to market faster. Personalization. 3D printing can be used to create unique and personalized items such as figurines, keychains, and other small household items. Retailers can use this technology to offer a wider range of products that are tailored to individual customers. Imagine how 3D printing could revolutionize the food and catering industry. I'll list a few examples. Customized food items. 3D printing can be used to create customized food items such as candy, chocolates, and desserts. Chefs and bakers can use the technology to create intricate designs and shapes, allowing them to offer a wider range of products to customers. Dietary restrictions. 3D printing can be used to create customized food items that cater to specific dietary restrictions such as gluten-free, sugar-free, and vegan options. Food prototyping. 3D printing can be used to create food prototypes, which can be used to test new recipes and flavors. Chefs and bakers can use the technology to create small samples of new dishes, which can be used to test customer response before committing to large-scale production. With its ability to create customized and complex products quickly and at a lower cost, 3D printing is set to play a major role in shaping the future of multiple industries. Think of how 3D printing could assist with the education industry. Hands-on learning. 3D printing allows students to physically hold and manipulate models and prototypes of the concepts they are learning. This helps to make abstract concepts more concrete and easier to understand. Customized teaching aids. 3D printing can be used to create customized teaching aids such as models of molecules, historical artifacts, and even anatomical models. This allows educators to create visual aids that are tailored to their specific curriculum. Science and engineering projects. 3D printing can be used to help students design and create their own science and engineering projects, allowing them to apply what they have learned to real-world problems. 3D printing is a technology that has the potential to revolutionize the way we think about manufacturing. From prosthetic limbs to industrial parts, architectural models to toys, the possibilities are endless. As the technology continues to evolve, it will change the way we live, work, and play. Thanks for watching.